Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys the folder that I made for my garden. And so I have all of these, and then I went ahead and put them into some protective sheets just so I'll know that they'll be fine if I go outside with it. So I have all the information for October growing for my zone. And then I have everything for November, and I haven't got into coding the plants that I have. And then I have everything for December. And then I ended it there, but I went ahead and printed out the calendar for the rest of this year. So what I'm going to do is mark what I have done, what I planted, when I planted it, so that way when it comes time to harvest, I'll be ready for that as well. And then I found this online, just kind of gives you a rough draft of what you can plant for my zone, and when it's time to harvest it. And so some of these things like the broccoli and the cabbage and the garlic, the mustard, the lettuce and the greens and the peas and the spinach, I've planted that. And so and I have followed this rule. So I think I'm good. I think I'm good. So I need to go back to that website and print out for the rest of the months, because like I said, I only took it up to December on printing it out. So as a new gardener, I just want to make sure that I'm doing my due diligence. And so this I just kind of made myself with the name of plants that I have. If I seeded it indoor, what was the date? If I direct sowed it, what was the date? If I'm doing succession planting, when did I do it? And then end of harvest, when it's time to harvest it. So if I started this now, then next year it'll just be a rough draft for me. And that's my plan. So okay, enough of that. Now, I want to show you what I'm getting into now. So this is actually the tray that I got with my strawberries. And it's kind of flimsy, but not that flimsy. I mean, I can pick it up and move it around, and it's okay. So what I did do is I went online to Amazon and I bought the bottom tray for this, and then I went ahead and bought the dome top that goes over it as well. So I ordered some more seeds, and so this is what I'm gonna plant right now. So I have poblano pepper, my Carolina Reaper pepper, okra, cucumber. I'm gonna do 2 rows of purple top turnips. I'm gonna do 2 rows of the shogun turnip, then 1 row of zucchini and 1 row of eggplants, and then here I'm gonna do 2 of the ghost peppers and 2 of the dills. Now, I also have basil. I'm going to put that in my hydroponic water thing. And then I have cilantro, but the cilantros are soaking right now. Those seeds, you got to soak them for 24 hours. So glad I read the package, because I didn't know that. I wasn't prepared for that today. I was, matter of fact, yesterday I did plant some just directly. So now that I know, I'll do it different. Anyway, for my herbs, those I'm gonna put in the strawberry planter that I have. I got about four, no, about 3 tiers left that I can plant in. So I'm gonna use that for the herbs. Anyway, I'm gonna get to planting and enjoy. Got all my seeds here. This is where I get my seeds from. I got some Johnny seeds and Everwild. So okay, I'm gonna shut up and get to planting. Oh, something else I want to show you.
The individual who posted this message on the Tension Records website username.
Something else I wanted to show you. When I did my cabinet remake, I had my pantry remake, I had some of these left over. And so I'm going to use these to put my plants in to keep them. But I did order a basket or container from Temu that has a top on it and a lid where I can, close them down. And so I'm waiting for that to come. But I just wanted to show you that. Okay, I'll be quiet. Oh, one more thing. I'm also going to be planting some potatoes. So I'm going to put those in the ground, but I'm going to put those in a grow bag. Okay, now I'm going to shut up.
Certainly not. So you're not aware of the fact that many of the lyrics in a rap song are not meant to be taken literally? These were pretty specific lyrics. Oh, so like Frank Sinatra flying me to the moon, he was talking about.
I don't want to
space
mess up
travel.
your feng shui,
That's a ridiculous
whatever y'all
question.
call it.
You will. Go ahead.
No, why you gonna say some shit like that?
Because you started it.
Detective.
Where did I start?
You say you don't want to mess it up.
Well,
Meaning you getting ready to mess it up. What's up, Charles?
And where was your son?
All right, so I am all done. Um, I ordered these little plant tags from Timu, and I wrote on these with the permanent marker. The other plant tags that I got those from Timu as well, but they were plastic. And they've been out in the garden for what, a month now? What, about 2 months? And I can barely read them. So, on Timu. I found some other stickers. It was like 202 stickers, but they already have the plant's name on them. So I figured that would be the best route to go. So that way I can just, stick it on the tag and I don't have to write anything, and hopefully they will last longer. Anyway, that is with I'm gonna let these sit in here, and my thing is I'm gonna let these sit until they take root, especially my okra. Because I think I'm past time on that for succession planning. But yeah, thank you guys.